certainly wouldn't have come into work today. But if the masks you dropped in the compartment above your seat, stop screaming, let go of your neighbor, hold the mask towards your face, place it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. If you're traveling with a child, or if your husband is acting like a child, put on your mask first before insisting them. To activate the flow of oxygen, simply insert 50 cents for the first minute because you are flying on Spirit. In case this flight becomes a cruise, we have some very fashionable life vests underneath or between your seats. Tear, rip, cut, or claw open the plastic bag, take out that vest, and slip it over your head. Give yourself a hug, wrap the strap around your waist, fasten the buckle, and pull the tab on the loose end of the strap to tighten. Pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest, or blow into the tube at shoulder level. A lovely strobe light is attached to each vest for your party pleasure. Never ever inflate your vest until you reach an exit, or you'll float to the top like a champagne cork. There are exits in the front and the back of the cabin that have life rafts, and if you're in the middle of the cabin, well, you're out of luck. Check your safety information card for all those diagrams you're so excited about. Federal aviation regulations require that you keep your seatbelt on if the sign is on, comply with instructions from your flight attendants, and remind us how pretty we look. It's a $2,000 fine for smoking in the bathrooms, and I know that if you had that kind of money, you would not be flying on Spirit. But 2 hours and 39 minutes, that is a really long time, and we do sympathize, so we do have a smoking section. It's out on the left wing, and if you can light it, you can smoke it. There's a blue flight attendant call bell above your seats. Don't touch that. No, but really, if you need anything at all, please let us know. The first time is free. The second time is a $25 charge right into my pocket. And if you hit it 3 times, we'll just go ahead and disable it. I'm almost done talking, so stick with me a minute longer. Double check and make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Your tray tables are put away and all of your carry-on items are stowed all the way underneath the seat in front of you so that there is absolutely no room for your legs or feet. Our estimated flight time today is about 2 hours and 39 minutes. Thank you again for your attention, and once again, welcome aboard.
Oh, yes, she's adorable. Oh, look at that red hair. Blonde, yeah, strawberry blonde. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, those are your nieces?
Yeah, these are my nieces' children.
Yes, yeah, great nieces.
Yeah. I have this one I took care of the whole, well, these two are staying with my sister while the parents went to San Diego or somewhere for a couple days this weekend, this past week. And this one was mine. She's 6 months. She was my responsibility. I put her to bed. I give her, and this is my grandbaby back at home. She's 7. She's a month older than their middle one, even though she's a peanut.
Yeah, so it's beautiful kids.
It's fun, so much fun. It's my grandson. So it's just, oh my God, until your kids have kids.
I know. I went to some kind of little homecoming with all my classmates a couple of weeks ago. They're like, "You don't have any grandkids?" I said, "No, I didn't tell them how many kids I was married." I was older, so. But they were said it'll be nice.
Yeah. It's.
I hope it'll be another 10 years.
Well, you know what? I was in no rush, but it's so much fun.
That's what I hear. It's great. You just love them and love them, and you don't have to make all the rules as the parent.
See your children play with them.
They walked by twice. They didn't
talking about the cost of this. I booked my flight, but they're reimbursing.
Oh, yeah. I actually thought of that when you said that. I was
Yeah.
like, that's like a figure.
Yeah. So that's the only thing we'll just need you to do that. We'll reimburse you. That's all right. And it's a good company, so I know they're true to their word.
See how we're still on the ground? You'll know when we start because the plane's gonna go really, really fast.
Flight attendants proceed for takeoff.
Back, I'm gonna just take my laptop. At least when I get through, I have to take my laptop anyway. Going through security, I think I'm just gonna take it out because they weren't checking that. You know,
When you land?
not when I land, but whenever I reboard tomorrow to come home.
Back.
Yeah.
Yeah, people were well, I guess he was paying for it. Yeah, they'll charge you for a second fee for it.
Yeah.
You said if you have two things instead of the one, they would charge you. Unless you're that platinum one flying back.
Oh.
So
But
that's how that's what they sell it if you don't let you carry it on.
oh, I see. I wondered how they
like
did
if
that.
that was your purse, like if that was your
Purse.
new thing,
Mm-hmm.
you'd be good.
Okay.
But it all has to fit in there. Like if you keep your laptop, I think this is how it works. Like say you have a purse and you can slide your laptop in there, you can still fit your couple of belongings in your thing and then way back. You're fine as long as it's in one bag.
Okay, so that's how they know they put you in the groups. I was wondering how they did that.
That when they said
Oh,
zone
okay.
one, those people paid for
2 bags or whatever. Okay, well then I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna work it out. Yeah. Let's see.
you might be able to squeeze it in.
Well, the only thing that I've really used out of my purse at all is just my wallet thing. Maybe I can stick my wallet into my laptop bag and just put my purse in there. That's what I'll do. And that way the luggage won't be quite so heavy too. Actually, it wasn't my son is the one who carried it down and picked it up and did all that for me.
Once we get up in the air, then eventually they'll turn the seatbelts off.
Double click and clear off your things, right? You know to do that.
Do what now?
Like, I just opened something.
Yes.
Yeah, and then it's there, right? Like, so it's
Yes, my kids showed me that
do
too.
that,
They're like, Mom, look at all the stuff you have open.
yeah, exactly.
I said,
We all
okay.
find that out in somewhere along the line.
Mm-hmm.
They're like, oh, have you been doing
I
that?
didn't even know I had it opened. You don't always see it, you know. All right, Kevin, this is for you, buddy. Steady winds, 35 to 40 miles per hour right now. It's kind of windy. We had last month, we had a storm come through, and it was 75 to 85 miles per hour winds. Just like hurricane. 74 miles an hour is a hurricane. It's like, holy cow, we lost a fence. There were roofs blown off. It's just like a tornado had gone through there. Bad. It's crazy. We had power outages. My youngest son, who's middle school, they called that morning and said no power. It blew out transformers and everything else. And that's a strong wind. And it was like steady. I guess like a tornado. You're going to have it come down and lift back up. Of all the ones we have down there. That wind was just straight everywhere for hours. I can't see over the wing. Yeah, if we're going north, Dallas will be on the left, Fort Worth will be on the right. What now? Okay. I think that may be all he's getting. I'm going to say, alright, took off now. Either I'll wait till I get home or I'll try to figure out how to send it to him tonight.